So guys, so this is our second video. We are entering to a place which would be seen in like few seconds to show you some glowing holding of the picture. The place. So let me take you to the place and get you to the journey of how it is and what does it serve and how the ambience is. So let's go. So this is the outer section where it's like a waiting lounge kind of thing, and now just moving on, we go to the section called the family section, which is like meant for people who cannot smoke inside and who don't smoke, and they can get their family in, the kids and everyone. And it's actually a colorful section with a good dim lights, and has a small section of a bar, and it's really well decorated. You can just check it out while we take out in the zoom, and just go ahead. Let's take out the tour at the place. This is a long table where you can accommodate like around 15 odd people, and there are the small tables as per your family is. And then let's take the tour to another section. It's a huge place. It's a terrace, and it's like a huge vast place. And this area, so we go to the opposite section, which is called shisha section, where you can smoke, you can just have some chilling time and play some snooker. Yes, people. And just moving on, there are good lamps over and a good interesting watch over here. Just look at it. It's a snooker watch. It's really interesting and different. And then we go ahead. The place is like really huge. Sorry for the interruption. I come behind, running over here and there. This kind of place. And this is a good bridge taking you to another section which is called a lounge, where there's a bar and there's a shisha, and there are like good long swings, sitting, which is like really different and attractive, I would say. So let's go, let's take a look at it. And so guys, I think you would be missing my other vlogging partner. Yes. Other vlogging partner is here. Woo! Nikita, she is here and she was here, but I just ignored her not to come in the video till now. But now, I think now she'll take ahead. Let's see how better she is than me.
And yeah, we are at Penthouse. This is the bar, and this place is super cool, super awesome. And today the weather is really good to be here out at the roof, open air. And we're gonna have fun! Yay!
Starting with the shisha and following with the food and some drinks, obviously.
We keep you updated.
And that's with a huge terrace, open terrace, where you can see all stars and moon. It's a full moon day. I'm trying to find out the moon.
So they have different nights here at Penthouse. Today being the karaoke night, I think the Bollywood karaoke night, and we are going to have so much fun. But you should check in with the hotel people, the restaurant people, what different nights and offers they have to offer, because I've heard they have really good deals at the bar also. So check them out before you do your bookings.
Boom! So we go to the DJ section, where I love the music. Like, I just like to dance and roll on. This guy is playing some really mad music. He's just getting charged, as it's just 7:45, and it's too early to be like rising over without an alcohol or something. So just stay tuned and check out this place soon. Now we are beginning with the karaoke night. That's on Wednesday at Penthouse. Hang on. this Bollywood karaoke night at Penthouse right here. And I hope that you guys visit this place. It's amazing, and my blogging partner is busy eating some desserts and completing the night. So I'm just signing off as of now. Alright, see ya, take care, do subscribe.